Guys, it's finally here. Yes! I think this might be my 13th book, but I still get excited when they arrive like this. Let's do an unboxing. Okay. Let's see. I sometimes I'm not very good at opening packages. I tend to tear stuff inside. I'm a bit scared. Okay, I'm gonna open it this way. Oh, don't mind the honking outside. I live in a very noisy neighborhood. Okay, should I just tear it? Should I just tear it for the reveal? I may just tear it. Here we go. I'm not doing this very aesthetically, sorry. I'm really scared I will tear into the book, so I've done that before. Oh my gosh, here we go, here we go. I see the nice green that we chose for the cover. Guys, check this out. Oh, look at that. Ah! Oh, what a mess. Sorry, this is not very good at all. Let's look at that. And here we go. This is the book. What do you think? I like it. The colors have come out quite nicely on this one. I like it. I'm so excited. Zarra and the 12 Realms of Kayangan. Yes! What else can I say? I'm happy. Please do come to my book launch on the when is it? On the 23rd of June. That's at Elite Bookstore, Star Hill Gallery, 2 to 3. If you can't make it for that, come this weekend at the MPH in TRX Exchange, where I'll be on a panel with other Penguin authors talking about my book.